My name is Maurice Beach. I'm the Managing Director of Strip Doors Australia. Strip Door is basically a series of vertically hung PVC strips on a mounting rail that, when mounted above the opening, provides a really effective barrier for two zones. We have 2 locations in Melbourne, and we have representatives across every state and territory in Australia. Our clients are very diverse. It can be anything from somebody who owns a retail store to somebody operating a mine site in the middle of the desert.
So I'm Kylie Harker I'm the founder of Squirrel Business Solutions. We've been Zoho partners for 11 years now. My particular expertise is CRM for sales teams and efficiency across the business. My team have marketing experience, integration and development experience, particularly in Zoho Creator and other custom applications. And we also do inventory management and manufacturing as well.
Coming from a strong corporate background, I already had a vision of where the business needed to go in terms of various processes and procedures that need to be implemented and put in place. And that's when we reached out to Squirrel to help us with those processes and procedures.
Our relationship with Maurice at Strip Doors really started as a consulting relationship, trying to understand what systems to use to drive the type of efficiency that Maurice was after within his business. We kind of started at CRM, and then we've just added on other Zoho One applications as needed in order to fulfill that vision that Maurice had.
A long time ago, like most businesses, I would imagine, we were running our business through Excel, using Word, and a lot of systems that were disjointed, great in their own individual areas, but not collectively part of one main system.
Maurice had manual systems, Excel spreadsheets like a lot of businesses do at the start. He also had a lot of places that inquiry was being driven from. So we needed to centralise all of those inquiry sources. We then needed to construct a really efficient workflow that catered for both account customers and cash customers, basically. Some other things that we did too was integrate his phone system so that it creates deals, keeps that pipeline tracking in a really efficient way. Stock management was also a really key challenge as the business grew. What we've been able to do is deliver a widget within Zoho CRM that shows the stock availability, what's coming in, what's going out, and it's all really at a touch of a button within the system.
It was agreed that we needed a CRM system to bring all of those various applications that we were using together under one roof. And we did try a couple of alternative products to Zoho, and it was in the very early days that we realised the limitations of what they could give us. And knowing where we wanted to go and what we wanted to do, we decided not to go with them and go down the Zoho path, and we've not looked back since. Maurice
is an engineer at heart, so he's very exact. So it was very much about him coming to us and saying, okay, I'm ready to do this now. And that might have been a marketing campaign, it might have been automating the telephony, it might have been integrating new websites or new sources of inquiry that he wanted to explore. And we also did, or have and continue to do, a lot of work with key metrics and dashboards for management reporting.
We've customised our dashboards, which allows us then to interrogate the data within CRM and really pull out that key information that allows us to make strategic decisions, business decisions throughout the year in real time, and they're invaluable.
So Maurice's goal has always been to have this ecosystem of systems that talk to each other really seamlessly. So we've got integrations with Shopify, with phone systems, with Aftership, with MyOb. The data comes in, is used and passed through each of the departments as it needs to be, and then really ends up parts of it on a dashboard that allows Morris to actually have a pulse check on his business every day that arrives in his inbox, actually. Yeah.
It's allowed us to view the whole of the business across different departments in real time, whether that's sales, workshop, dispatch, warehousing, accounts department. It's integrated our financial systems, workflows, processes, procedures across the whole business.
Yeah, in terms of next steps with Strip Doors, what we are excited to explore is the use of AI on their e-commerce platforms to really drive sales and automate further.